course, I don't want to be downplaying the cleaning. We will be doing a lot of cleaning and maintenance on top of what DPW does. And we'll be holding DPW and the city accountable for the baseline of service they have today. So the property owners that are here, I wanted to say something very clearly. We're working very closely with the city to make sure that just because we're putting all this money forward, the city doesn't pull their services out. We're going to guarantee that the current services are here, and we're going to add services on top of it. And that goes for both cleaning, and it goes for, certainly for public safety. And I will say the police department's been amazing. Our new police chief in this district, police captain, excuse me, in this district has been amazingly cooperative, and there will be extra foot patrols on the street I think in February when we officially roll out the program. So the police department has been an incredible partner. But the other point I wanted to make, besides this collaboration, and besides this unique hybrid of social service outreach and public safety, and I might add hospitality. The other thing that, there's our captain. The other aspect that I think is pretty unique here is the degree to which we surveyed the actual people who work and live in the district. We waited, a lot of CBDs, and this, again, I'm not criticizing other CBDs, they got the money and they began to roll out the services. We actually got our money, and instead of rolling out services, we rolled out an aggressive survey campaign. So we hired Urban Ecology, a nonprofit community planning group, to go out and canvass the streets. We focused specifically on single-room occupancy hotels because they're so hard to get to. But we also did extensive outreach with all the employers, with all the merchants, and we collected data. We have real hard data on what people see as problems in the neighborhood. So rather than relying on our own perceptions, and I often think I'm right, but I'm wrong often, we actually went out and asked the questions. And so if you go on our website, and I encourage you to do so, you will see a professional survey, detailed, that tells you what the people in this district want to see. And so also, unique again to what we've done here is we've gone out first to listen to the people who live and work in this district before we finally formalize our self-services. So those are kind of the key points I wanted to say. I think those are the reasons we got approved overwhelmingly, I might add. 68% of property owners who voted in that final election voted to approve the CBD. As far as I know, that's the highest percentage of any CBD to date in the city. So I think the property owners see that. And then I think also a lot of our nonprofit partners are seeing our efforts to reach out, and I think they realize that they're for real, and they are. So I just want to make those points, and with that, unless there are any questions, I'd really like to introduce Daniel, who has done a tremendous job stepping into this job role as an executive